In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up email to case in Salesforce. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses that want to streamline customer support and ensure that every customer email transforms into a case automatically. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly set this up and start managing your customer interactions more efficiently. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is essentially your setup menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to all the customization options Salesforce has to offer. Now, within the setup area, you'll see a quick find box on the left-hand side. This is a very handy search tool that saves you from sifting through endless options. In this box, type in email to case. As you type, you should see the option appear below. Click on it to proceed to the email to case settings page. Once you're on the email to case page, your next step is to click on the edit button. This will allow you to modify the current settings. Here, you'll notice several options, but the most important one for us right now is the checkbox labeled Enable Email to Case. Go ahead and check that box. What this does is activate the feature, allowing incoming emails to be automatically converted into cases. Next, you'll see another checkbox labeled Enable On-Demand Service. Checking this box is crucial for those who want Salesforce to handle emails without the need for a dedicated email server. It's a convenient option if you're looking to simplify the process and make everything more efficient. So be sure to check this box as well. After you've checked both boxes, the last thing you need to do is click the Save button. This will apply all the changes you've made and officially activate the email to case feature on your Salesforce account. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email to case in Salesforce. With this feature enabled, every customer email will automatically create a new case, allowing your support team to manage customer inquiries more effectively. Remember, this setup is not just about automation, it's about providing better, more responsive service to your customers. By ensuring that no email slips through the cracks, you're setting your business up for success. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy case managing.